Well, I have just finished putting together an accordion junk journal made out of junk papers and things. And this is so much fun. Just like, yeah. So many pieces of paper all folded up and just all cool. And yeah, and it's accordion. It doesn't play, uh, but it'll be for me to play in. Uh, yeah, these are all just, scrap papers that I've been hoarding and collecting and now finally trying to use up. So that's the fun. Yeah, there it is. I think that's the back, that's the front. Maybe that's the front, that's the back. Who knows? Maybe that's the front. It's all good.